Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ali Nuqman bin Fuad, and my partner is Muhammad Danial Hakeem bin Zulkefli. Will present about the advantages and disadvantages of wind turbine. Introduction. Wind turbine meaning that a turbine having a large vane wheel rotated by the wind to generate electricity. Wind power or wind energy is the use of wind to provide mechanical power through wind turbines to turn electric generators for electrical power. Wind power is a popular, sustainable, renewable energy source that has a much smaller impact on the environment compared to burning fossil fuels. Types of wind turbine. Wind turbine have two types, which is horizontal axis turbine and vertical axis wind turbines. For a horizontal axis wind turbine, they have blades like airplane propellers, and they commonly have 3 blades. The largest horizontal axis turbine are as tall as 20-story buildings and have blades more than 100 feet long. Taller turbines with longer blades generate more electricity. Nearly all of the wind turbines currently in use are horizontal axis turbines. For the vertical axis turbines, they have blades that are attached to the top and bottom of vertical rotor. The most common type of vertical axis turbine, which is the Darius wind turbine, named after the French engineer Georges Darius, who patented the design in 1931. Looks like a giant 2-blade egg beater. Some version of the vertical axis turbine are 100 feet tall and 50 feet wide. Very few vertical axis turbines are in use today because they do not perform as well as horizontal axis turbine. How the wind turbine works. The wind turbine works on a simple principle. Instead of using electricity to make wind like a fan, wind turbine use wind to make electricity. Winds turn to the propeller like blades of the turbine around a rotor which spins a generator, and then they create electricity. Now I will explain to all of you about the advantage of wind turbine. We found 3 advantages of wind turbine, which is first, renewable and clean source of energy. Second, low operating cost, and third, which is efficient use of land space.
For disadvantages of wind turbine, first, intermittent. This is because the weather conditions will not always be windy, which will make the wind turbine not work. Second, noise and visual pollution. Many people are concerned with the visual effects that wind turbines have on the beautiful scenery of nature. They believe that giant wind turbines distract viewers from the beautiful surroundings. Some wind turbines tend to generate a lot of noise, which can be unpleasant. Furthermore, installation can take up a significant portion of land, which may reduce the local animal population. On the other hand, wind turbines may be dangerous to flying animals. Many birds and bats have been killed by flying into the rotors. Experts are now conducting research to learn more about the effects that wind turbines have on marine habitats. One of the applications of wind turbine is ventilation system. First, the stainless steel central shaft, which maintains rigidity under high stress and load factors. It is also corrosion-free. Technologically advanced single bearing system for self-centering with stainless steel balls allows for trouble-free movement regardless of wind velocity, as the rotaries can turn by the stack effect of or rising hot air. Next, exclusive double curve aluminium vents specially designed for weatherproof durability, maximum wind-driven efficiency, and range span. For the trigger support provides better rigidity to prevent wobbling during high-speed rotation. And the collar is to stabilize the central shaft and trigger support to ensure equal weight distribution and reduce stress on fastening joints. For the conclusion, wind energy is most likely the answer to our energy needs. It has a lot of promise and it's simple to run. All you have to do now is construct the turbine and everything else will be provided for free. You can power over 200 households with only one turbine. Every wind turbine has a lifespan of 20 to 25 years. Wind turbines can harness the wind to generate electricity as long as it blows. Wind power accounts for only a small percentage of total electricity generation. Wind turbines, unlike coal, do not emit greenhouse gases and are a 100% renewable energy source. Many individuals believe that wind energy will soon become our primary energy source. Wind turbine may cause wildlife deaths and complaints, but they may be the energy solution we've been seeking for.